In a peaceful meadow, amidst a sea of tall grass, a small bird named Junco resided. Known for its humble demeanor, Junco was loved and admired by all creatures in the meadow. One day, a storm swept across the meadow, uprooting many of the tall grasses. Junco's nest, situated atop one of these grasses, was destroyed, leaving the tiny bird homeless. Junco searched high and low for a new place to build a nest, but none seemed suitable. The tall trees were too far from the ground, and the short bushes were too exposed. In despair, Junco sat on a fallen log, feeling lost and defeated. Suddenly, a wise old owl hooted from a nearby tree. "Why so downhearted, Junco? The storm has brought change, but it also brings opportunity." Junco looked up, puzzled. "Opportunity?" he asked. "How can a storm be an opportunity?" The owl continued, "The storm has made the meadow vulnerable, but it has also made it accessible. You can build a nest where none was possible before. Look around, Junco, and find the opportunity in change." With newfound hope, Junco looked around and saw a perfect spot on a low-hanging branch of a willow tree. It was close to the ground, safe from the wind, and hidden among the leaves. Junco built his nest, and from that day forward, he understood that change, though daunting, often brings new opportunities. He learned to embrace change and find the hidden opportunities within it. And so, Junco taught all the creatures in the meadow that change is not something to fear, but something to embrace, for in change lies the seeds of growth and opportunity.